Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this crochet slouchy beanie that I'm putting on my head. You can make it in any color and however you want it to be. So first you get your yarns. I'll be using Yaya yarn for this project. You get your yarn, you get your hook. I'm using 4mm hook size. So you get your 2 strands of yarn and you make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, you put in your crochet hook and then you make a magic circle. So to make a magic circle, you need to make 4 chains. This is my second chain. You make chain 3 and then you proceed to make chain 4. So this is it. Then you insert your hook on the first chain and slip stitch. Yes, just like this. After you make your slip stitch, you make 2 chains, which is 1 and then 2 chains, and then you make 12 double crochets in that circle that we've just created. So to make 12 double crochet, you insert your hook, and then you drag, and then you pass through 2 loops and then pass through the next 2 loops. So that's how you make your double crochet. So you repeat this process 11 more times to make your 12 double crochet in that same space that we've created. So this is my second double crochet, and then you pass through the last 2 loops. So this is my 12 double crochet. To end this row, you have to make a slip stitch at the end of the row, which is insert your hook and then you pass through all loops at once. And this is my first row, which is made up of 12 double crochet. Then the next step is to make 2 chains, and then on the first ever stitch you make 1 double crochet just like this, and then on that same stitch you make 2 double crochet. So now for this second row, we are going to be making 2 double crochets in each stitch, so that by the end of our rows we'll be having a total of 24 double crochet altogether, 2 in each stitch. This is done as an increased row, yes, because we want to make our at the top of our cap, so it has to be round and flat. After that, you make your slip stitch and then you make 2 chains as you've been doing in other rows, just like chain 1, chain 2, and then on the first ever stitch you make a double crochet in that stitch. Make sure you don't miss a stitch so as to have so you will not have a very bad cap. Yes, you make 1 double crochet on the first stitch, and then you make 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and then you make another double crochet on that same stitch. Yes, so that's basically 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet on the next stitch. You repeat this process again by doing 1 double crochet on the following stitch and then 2 double crochet. So that's basically just doing 1 2 1 2. You get to make your increase in this row. This is going to make it the third row. Yes, so we're going to continue this process till you get to the end of your cap. Just know that as you're going further, in the 4th row is going to be 1 1 2. In the 5th row is going to be 1 1 1 2. You're making 1 1 in each stitch, and then you make your increase stitch. Yes, so this is done to make the center of the cap is going to be very round and very flat without curving, to get your total width of your cap. Yes, to get your total width of your cap. So we're going to continue this process till you get to the end of the width of your cap and how you want it to be. So this is the width of my cap. Yes, I made a total of 7 rows. You can make yours 8, you can make yours 6, depending on how you want it to be. So to be sure that you're doing the right thing, you measure it. It should be 6. It can be 6.5. It can be 7 inches, depending on the hook size and high type of yarn that you're using. So at the end of that row, I'm going to make a slip stitch, just like you just insert your hook and then pass through all the loops. And then continue the process of making 2 chains to start a new row, just like this. And then you make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this, from this point, we are going to make the length of our cap. So you don't need an increase row in any areas, or you just need to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Make sure you do not miss any stitch, and make sure you do not make more than 1 double crochet in one stitch till you get to the end of your cap. So this is my length, the total length of my cap. I have finished. I think I did a total of 28 to 30 rows altogether. Yes, to get the length of my cap. This is longer than the normal length of a beanie. Normal length of a beanie is supposed to be shorter than this, but because this is going to be a slouchy beanie, it has to be long. So for you to know if you're doing the right thing, you get your measuring tape and then you measure. For me, I'm getting 11.5. You can make yours 12, 13, 11, however you want it to be, whatever length you want it to be. So yeah, this is my cap, and I'm going to be testing it for you to see how it's being worn and how it's being styled on the head. So you guys, we have come to the end of our video. So this is the handmade slouchy beanie that I guided you guys on. You can see the length. This is not the length of a normal cap because there's a way it's usually being worn. So I'm going to style it for you guys so you know how it's being worn, and you can also style yours the same way. So to wear it, you look for this straight line where we ended each row. You know, we end each row, and then there's a straight line you're going to get. If you're not getting this straight line, it means that there's something wrong with your calculation. So you need to calculate very carefully. You understand what I mean? So this is going to be at the back of your head. You wear it like this, and then you stretch it out to its fullest capacity. You get? Then it can either fold it to the left, sorry, to the right, or to your left, or even to your back. You get? Or even to your front. You can just tell it however you want it to be. This is just how it is. See? This is how it is. Left for me, I like styling mine at the back to give this, this cute, sexy, hot look. Get what I'm saying? You can style it to your right, to your left, however you want it to be for you. Just style it like that. It's not a must that you must put it to the left or to the right or to the front, anyhow you want it to be. Then another style I know you can style it is by folding the ends outwards, just like this. Just like this. Make it equal. Focus on the back line so that it can be at the back of your head, just like this. And then you can still style it. That's why I even made it 30 rows altogether. So you can be able to fold it outwards. However you want it to be, it's your cap, it's your choice, it's your style. And then you can wear it for anything you want to wear it for, do whatever I want. It's just giving. 10 over 10 minus nothing. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you like, comment, and share to your crochet friends so they can also know how to crochet. And please, please, please support me in the littlest way you can by liking my video. And if you like, you can also comment on it. And I promise you, I'll make more videos like this, more videos better than this for you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.